This house working in has been empty for at least 10 years, maybe as long as 13 years. And look, some of the internal light fittings are rusted. So if I sort of, I'm going to get that on camera there. Got to watch these things, they have your fingers. So you've got to sort of grip them, squeeze them in so you don't damage the plaster. And out. Lots of bugs coming out of there. And look, they got wires on show. Shit job. So I'm going to replace these now. I'm replacing them all with JCC V50s. Nice lights. Got a light and a junction box, and it's on a plug. So I can wire the junction box in on the first fix, ready, and it's got colour coded terminals. Instead of that shit. That's better. All the inner insulation concealed. Ready to push back in the gap. Plug in my light. Push it away. Load the springs. Job done. There's a little switch under here. You can switch between warm white and cool white. Seeing as the rest of the lamps are warm white, I'm going to keep these at warm white. Warm white. And I've got these metal bezels you can get in all different colours: black, white, grey, chrome, brushed, stainless, you name it. Big difference, much nicer.